A common misconception that patients have or a worry is that it takes a long time to get the restoration back after an implant is placed. Under certain conditions, nowadays we can successfully place an implant the same day we extract the tooth, and on top of it, they leave with teeth on top of those implants.
The benefits of immediate placement are saving time, preserving the anatomy, and actually saving quite a bit of cost. Your overall cost is about 15 to 20% less when we're able to do everything all at the same time, as opposed to breaking it up into individual procedures. You have an implant, you have a graft, you have a membrane, you have all of these things, but when we do it immediately, we're right there. We're able to pass that savings on to you. Patients really do love when we're able to present the fact that they can be an immediate implant candidate. Never more so than in the front upper jaw. When we can take out a tooth, put an implant in, we even now are rebuilding temporary crowns the same day, so the patient is never leaving without a tooth in their mouth. It's already secured into place on the same day.